In the vast silence of the universe, black holes have earned a reputation as devourers of everything, light, matter, even time itself. But what if there's a cosmic twin to these monsters? A mirror image that doesn't consume, but expels? They're called white holes. And if they exist, they may rewrite everything we know about space, time, and the origin of the universe. Welcome to the silent cosmos. To understand white holes, we need to understand their infamous counterpart, black holes. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. At their center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, where our laws of physics collapse. Now, a white hole is the theoretical reverse of this. Instead of pulling matter in, it expels it. Nothing can enter a white hole from the outside, and anything inside is violently pushed outward. Imagine a cosmic volcano, erupting matter instead of swallowing it. White holes first emerged not from science fiction, but from the mathematics of Einstein's field equations. When physicists extended the equations that describe black holes, white holes appeared as a kind of mirror solution. In theory, they are just as valid as black holes. But here's the twist. While black holes have been observed, white holes have never been detected. The idea of white holes began with the Schwarzschild solution, derived in 1916. It's the same equation used to describe black holes, but it also allows for a region of space-time where time runs backward. This is where the idea of a white hole was born. In this mathematical extension, the white hole exists in a different region of space-time, opposite the black hole. Some physicists have speculated that the white hole could be connected to a black hole through a wormhole, or Einstein-Rosen bridge. Matter falls into a black hole and emerges out of a white hole elsewhere in the universe, or perhaps another universe entirely. In theory, it's beautiful. In reality, there are problems. White holes are unstable, at least according to most modern physics models. Even the tiniest disturbance, like a stray photon, would collapse them almost instantly. This makes them nearly impossible to detect, or even exist for longer than a moment. Some cosmologists argue that if white holes do exist, they would have formed in the early moments after the Big Bang, and possibly disappeared just as quickly. But there's a more intriguing idea. What if we have seen one, and we just didn't realize it? Here's where science meets the edge of imagination. Some physicists propose that the Big Bang itself could have been the result of a white hole. Think about it. A single point that suddenly erupted with matter, energy, and space-time. An event with no before that we can observe. Something that violently expelled the contents of a universe. It sounds suspiciously similar to how white holes are described. This theory, called the Big Bounce, suggests that our universe was born from the collapse of a previous universe. Its black hole death may have triggered a white hole birth, our Big Bang. And this concept might solve one of the deepest mysteries in physics. Where did all the matter in our universe come from? If this is true, white holes may not just exist. They may be the reason we exist. There's another theory that breathes new life into white holes. It comes from a field called loop quantum gravity. This theory attempts to merge Einstein's relativity with quantum mechanics. In this model, the singularity at a black hole's core doesn't remain a singularity forever. Instead, gravity becomes repulsive at extremely small scales. Matter collapses to a minimum volume, then rebounds outward. This rebound, or quantum bounce, could turn a black hole into a white hole. According to physicist Carlo Rovelli, this transformation might take billions of years, but it could explain what happens to the matter inside black holes. It wouldn't be destroyed, just released elsewhere, perhaps in another time, another universe, another cosmos. White holes force us to confront an unsettling truth. What is time? If white holes truly expel matter while running backward through time, does that mean time is reversible at the edge of reality? Could white holes be windows into the opposite arrow of time? A mirror universe where entropy decreases, where cause follows effect in reverse? The implications are staggering. If such objects exist, they could teach us how time, and maybe even reality itself, is fundamentally structured. So, do white holes exist? The mathematics says yes. The universe remains silent. They are among the most tantalizing theoretical objects in modern astrophysics. Echoes of them may lie in our past, in the structure of time, or hidden behind the veil of black holes. Perhaps they flickered into existence at the birth of time and died in the blink of a cosmic eye. Or perhaps they still exist, waiting in the silence of the cosmos. Thank you for watching The Silent Cosmos. Subscribe to uncover more mysteries that lie in the shadows of space and time. Because the universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine.